Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and right here at the top click Add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case, and if it's your first connection, your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually. Right here at the bottom we have this connection button. You need to press 2 times on it, and then it will enter to pairing mode. So 1, 2, and this little light flashing. So we did it. Now we should wait until it finds our earbuds. And right here we have it, so click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!